How to send big files with Outlook in 2025. So if you want to send big files in your Outlook, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Outlook application. After opening your Outlook, now you need to just go with new mail, which is on the top left, and it will take you to this kind of interface. Now just go with the address, and after that enter the subject, and here you need to go with the attachment section. You'll have attached file on the top. You need to click on attach file and then select the files, or you can just simply go with browse this PC and select multiple files. So I'll just simply go with some files right here, go with insert, and as you can see that I've added some files. Or if you have a lot of big files, then what you can do is just simply go with your drive. So open up your browser at first. On your browser you need to go with your drive. Now on your drive, go and sign in and go with new, which is on the left side. Once you go with new, you'll have new folder or a file upload. So I'll just simply go with a folder, and here you need to enter the name of that folder and go with create. Once you've created the folder, you'll have the folder right here. You need to click on the folder and you need to upload some files. So you can go and upload the files, whatever files you would like to upload or how many files you would like to upload. Just go and upload it right here. Now, once the files have been uploaded, what you need to do is just simply go with the folder, and then you need to go with share. Under share, you can go with copy link, but before that, you need to again click on share, and it will have this kind of interface. So you need to go with the restricted section and go with anyone with the link. And once it's updated, you need to go with copy link, but here you need to go with editor and copy link. Once you've copied the link, you need to go with done, go back, open up your Outlook, and here you need to paste the link. After that, you can go with share, and if the other person taps on that link, then they will be redirected to that Google Drive folder. So in this way, you'll be able to send big files with Outlook in 2025. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.